Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Toyota 4Runner. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting your battery's negative terminal. Next, gather all your tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a breaker bar. You'll also need a jack and jack stands to safely elevate your vehicle. Proper preparation makes the job much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Let's get started. Now let's locate the starter. On your Toyota 4Runner, it's typically found on the passenger side of the engine, often beneath the intake manifold. You might need to remove a few components, like air intake tubes or heat shields, to gain clear access. Once visible, carefully disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire from the old starter. Take your time here to avoid damaging any wires.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable and durable, perfect for any DIY project. Check the description for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the electrical connections detached, it's time to unbolt the starter. There are usually 2 or 3 mounting bolts securing it to the engine block. These can be tight, so a breaker bar might be helpful. Pay attention to any shims or spacers. They are crucial for proper starter engagement. Once unbolted, carefully wiggle and pull the old starter free from its housing. It can be a bit heavy, so be prepared. Now for the new starter installation. Carefully guide the new starter into place, ensuring it aligns correctly with the engine block and flywheel. Reinstall the mounting bolts, making sure to use any shims you removed earlier. Tighten these bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, reconnect the main power cable and the solenoid wire, ensuring they are snug and secure. Double-check all connections before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.